Your kidneys are vital organs that play several important roles in your health. They help filter your blood, remove waste products, produce hormones, keep your bones strong, regulate fluid balance, and regulate your blood pressure. Unfortunately, your kidneys can get damaged and become less efficient over time. This is commonly called kidney disease, and it affects around 10% of adults globally. Various factors and health conditions, including diabetes, can raise your risk of kidney disease. Prolonged high blood sugar levels may damage your blood vessels, including those in your kidneys. As a result, about 1 in 3 adults with diabetes also have kidney disease. Processed meats are made by drying, salting, curing, or smoking meats to enhance their flavor, texture, and shelf life. Bacon, deli meats, sausage, and jerky are some common types of processed meats. Because processed meats are typically salted, they have a high sodium content. For example, a standard 3-ounce serving of bacon contains a whopping 1,430 milligrams of sodium, which is nearly 62% of your daily sodium allowance. Dark-colored sodas, especially dark-colored varieties, are not ideal for people with kidney disease and diabetes. Dark-colored sodas contain phosphorus, which prevents discoloration, prolongs shelf life, and adds flavor. Most dark-colored sodas contain 90 to 180 milligrams of phosphorus per 12-ounce serving. Healthy kidneys can easily remove excess phosphorus from the blood, but this isn't the case when you have kidney disease. Generally, fruits are healthy and packed with vitamins and minerals. However, people with kidney disease and diabetes may need to limit their intake of certain fruits, mainly those high in sugar and potassium. If you have kidney disease, your body can't remove potassium properly, which can lead to increased blood potassium levels, also known as hyperkalemia. If left untreated, this condition can cause fatigue, muscle weakness, heart problems, and even death. Fruits high in potassium include bananas, avocados, apricots, kiwis, and oranges. Dried fruits are made by removing water from fruit through various processes. This creates small, dense fruits rich in energy and nutrients. Dried fruits aren't ideal for people with kidney disease and diabetes because they're high in sugar and minerals like potassium. In fact, just 1/2 cup of dried apricots contains around 755 milligrams of potassium. Also, dried fruits are high in fast-digesting sugar, which isn't ideal if you have diabetes. In most cases, beans and lentils are considered healthy and convenient. However, for people with kidney disease and diabetes, beans and lentils, both canned and fresh, are not ideal due to their relatively high phosphorus content. Canned versions are typically also high in sodium. If you enjoy beans and lentils, you can still eat them in small amounts, but not as a standard carb component of your meal. Packaged foods, instant meals, and fast food tend to be high in sodium, which is one reason they aren't ideal for someone with kidney disease and diabetes. Some examples of these foods are instant noodles, frozen pizza, frozen boxed meals, and other types of microwavable meals. These foods are also heavily processed and often high in refined carbs. This isn't ideal if you have diabetes, as refined carbs are digested quickly and tend to spike blood sugar levels. Avoid fruit juices and other sugar-sweetened beverages if you have kidney disease and diabetes. These drinks tend to be high in added sugar, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. This is concerning because diabetes affects your body's ability to absorb sugar properly, and prolonged high blood sugar levels can lead to various health complications. Plus, certain fruit juices are high in minerals such as potassium. For example, a cup of orange juice contains around 443 milligrams of potassium. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are high in potassium, which can be a concern for people with kidney disease, especially those with late-stage kidney disease. For example, a medium-baked potato contains 610 milligrams of potassium, and a standard baked sweet potato contains 541 milligrams of potassium. However, potatoes and sweet potatoes can be soaked or leached to significantly reduce their potassium content. That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course, and please like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.